Good morning. This is Greg Kaiser at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for March 31st, the last day of the month. First, we'll look at some impacts. We do have a flood advisory out. The Silver Creek near Peekaboo is at bank full, very close to minor flood stage. So we do have a flood advisory out along that area, along the Silver Creek. Could see some minor flooding, and that is in effect through this morning at least. We'll take a look at the updated river gauge by then, but there could be a little bit of flooding, so do not drive through any water on the roadways. Looking at the satellite water vapor loop, the big thing I want you to notice, we have a big circulation well out in the Pacific, and this is going to bring a big pattern change to our weather late Monday into Tuesday. We're starting to see extensive moisture out in the Pacific Ocean right now, and that moisture will eventually move into the region Monday, and we're expecting some wet weather generally late Monday through Tuesday and into Wednesday. Nothing on radar this morning, basically dry across all of southeastern Idaho. Looking at the weather map today, we have a cold frontal system in Montana. There is going to be some precipitation along that. Very little effects for eastern Idaho. There could be a very low chance of some light rain showers late this afternoon and tonight in the Island Park, Yellowstone area, but overall not expecting much in the way of impacts from that precipitation. High temperatures today are going to be very close to right around what we should be for the last day of March. Low to mid 50s in the Snake River Plain, generally 40s in the mountains. Some real high elevations may still stay in the 30s. Tomorrow or tonight into Monday morning, not quite as cold as the last two mornings, but still should drop below freezing, even in the Snake River Plain, and mid-teens to mid-20s in the mountains. As we get in to Monday, we are showing some rain and snow over southeastern Idaho. Again, this is mainly going to be tomorrow night. Most of the daytime hours tomorrow should be dry. By late afternoon, could have some rain and snow showers moving into the central mountains, Sun Valley area north through Galena. But overall, most of this is going to overspread Monday night into Tuesday morning. High temperatures Monday, getting even warmer than today, getting close to 60 in the Burley to Twin Falls area, mid-50s. Pocatello to Idaho Falls, and generally mid to upper 40s in the mountains as well. And with that, with the cloud cover, precipitation, it's going to be much warmer Monday night into Tuesday morning. Most of the Snake River Plain will stay above freezing Tuesday morning, and generally 20s to low 30s in the mountains. And we will have widespread rain and snow Tuesday across all of Idaho. Snow levels are going to rise to well up to about 7,000 to 7,500 feet. So any accumulations Tuesday will be limited to high mountain passes above that 7,000 to 7,500 foot range, and rain below that. Low temperatures Wednesday morning, very warm. The high temperatures Tuesday are going to be cooler, generally below normal, with the expected precipitation and cloud cover. A quick look at expected snow totals. Again, with the high snow levels, these 6 to 10 inch amounts are going to be, again, very high level. Some of the high mountain passes could see some, maybe Galena Summit. But generally, even Sun Valley, Ketchum, expected to be below the snow levels, only an inch or two up in the Island Park area as well. So it's going to be mainly a rain event. And looking at some of the initial precipitation total forecast, this is from Monday night through into Wednesday, through the day on Wednesday. Again, many areas a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. Some areas getting up to around an inch, especially in the eastern highlands, the Malad, Soda Springs, up through Driggs into Jackson area. Could see possibly up to an inch of liquid with this system. So again, right now, the river forecasts are not expected to get too high through Friday. Again, we'll need to keep our eye on this to see, to see exactly what type of amounts of rain do fall, but not expecting extremely warm temperatures with the systems. And looking at a 1 to 2 week outlook from April 7th through the 13th, generally showing equal chances of above and below normal temperatures. And again, continued better chances of above normal temperature or above normal precipitation even through the 2 week period. So again, as we go through the first part of April, again, flooding potential is likely going to increase as we get into the middle part of April. But as of right now, the river forecasts are not extreme. So stay tuned to the latest forecasts and watch the rain that falls during the week this upcoming week. That will conclude today's briefing. If you have any questions, call us at the number listed here anytime or go to our website. Thank you.